So this video is about 3D printing and the fact that you already know how to do it. It's with this. It's a hot glue gun. I'm going to show you a demonstration of it's just literally a computerized hot glue gun. So I'm going to show you a demonstration, show you how the hot glue puts in layers, and then it just builds upon layer, upon layer, upon layer. So yeah, you understand 3D printing. Let's get to it. Alright, so if you're new to 3D printing, never even heard about it, I think you really need to get into 3D printing, but a lot of people don't explain, the glue gun concept. So I have this outline here. And so what I'm going to do is build it up as a cylinder. So literally, I'm going to print oh, okay, that's an obvious error with, well, you have a 3D printer, not Jerry trying to use a stupid glue gun to make a cylinder. Okay, we're going to call that layer 1. Alright, not very pretty. However, let me do some terms here. 3D printing has a nozzle, has filament, which is the glue sticks. Okay, literally a 3D printer works this way. Just like a glue gun. Okay, so I got to kind of let this one dry. And then let's see if I can do the next level. Now, for you machinists, you're going to think speeds and feeds. Woodworking. You're going to have to use the right tool. All right, let's get through this. Come on. Teeth on a circular saw. You want higher teeth if you're going to do non-ferrous metal. Crosscuts. Machinist if you're using a lathe or milling machine. Alright, so we're going to call that our first layer. Okay, basically 3D printing is using a glue gun and just adding layer by layer. And then you have, we're going to fill this all in. So I have the filament, which is a glue gun right now, or the glue sticks. I just want to fill this all in. So on a 3D printer, you have multiple settings, okay? The feed rate, the speed. If I go too fast, it's a very thin one. If I go too slow, I leave a blob here. If it just goes crazy, I got spaghetti, which is literally what this is. So in a sense, this is 3D printing, but with newer equipment. As you can see, it's just a blob. Alright, so the whole point of this video is to show people that you understand 3D printing already. Now, I talked about settings a little bit, you got blobs, whatever. If you were to actually buy a 3D printer nowadays, and I'm talking, I bought one back in like 2017 that I had to put together myself, total train wreck. It just didn't work. 3D printers nowadays don't change the settings. They will cover 99% of what you want to do. Now in future videos, I'll go over PLA, PETG, the different materials. And if you talk about, if you go back to the glue gun analogy, okay, you have high strength, you got low strength, you got glitter, okay, so that's the material, that's the filament, which actually this is the filament, it's just in a reel. So now I'm going to show you a quick video of an actual time lapse, and think about this high-speed glue gun controlled by a computer that just runs it. So enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video.